Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, I can put into cosecant of 3s squared with cosecant of 3s to the power of 4. So this one I can put like this. Next, we have the formula cosecant of as equals to cosine as squared plus 1. So I will put this one going here. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to cosine 3s. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides. And we have negative number 3 cosecant of 3s squared ds. Because we don't have negative number 3, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 3. This one we change by u. This one we change by u. This one with the s we change by the u over negative number 3. Next, we need to expand this one. So u squared multiplied by u to the power of 4, u squared and number 1. Now we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du, we have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1. And then I will put about c. Now we apply the formula in here. So for example, we put number 6 going here. So 6 plus number 1, we have 7. Denominator, we have 7. That's why we have this one. About u, that is about cosine 3s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.